think millets are going to be a very important crop in the future due to the climate change. Therefore, it's very important that we invest our research in millet. And this global millet meet is being organized by Directorate of Sorghum Research. They've invited people all over the world, including US, Africa, and we all are here to meet and discuss mutually beneficial research projects. And also our main goal is to improve the productivity of this crop so that it will improve the profitability of the farmers, especially for smallholding farmers who are dependent upon millet as their main nutritious food crop. I think today millets are forming an important component of the smallholding farmers. They are mainly using them as for their own self-consumption, but we have to make, farmers are critically important to improve the profitability. So to improve the profitability, we should have high market demand. And to have high market demand, we really need to promote millet as a nutritious crop, because especially it has very high value of iron, calcium, micronutrients, and it's a very important crop for diabetics and also for people who have celiac disease. That means they are intolerant to gluten or wheat products. They can't eat wheat. Therefore, millet, which is a very good crop as a substitute for wheat for the people who are celiac diseases. So I think this conference is going to be very important for that, because we have people coming all over the world and discussing the future priorities of millet. Yes, I think when if you look at India, India is one of the largest producer of millet in the world. And it's number one in both in the total amount of millets produced and also the amount of consumption by the people. 600 million people depend upon millet for their food security. And if you look in within India, Rajasthan is probably one of the most important region, and followed by Maharashtra, and then I think AP. It's also becoming more important as we go forward from now, because with climate change, water will be limited. The contribution of AP as a percentage of India, I don't know the exact figures, but it is gaining important, especially in the dryland regions in Rayalaseema and Anantapur region, where drought and high temperatures are limiting the productivity of the crop. So I think it's going to have more and more value, and Andhra Pradesh will become an important millet and sorghum growing region as we go forward from now.